नमस्कार दोस्तों, बैंकिंग अफेयर्स में आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में हम जून फर्स्ट वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, नेम द न्यू स्कीम लॉन्च्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट फॉर मॉनिटरिंग यंग ऑथर्स। सो नेम ऑफ द स्कीम इज युवा। युवा इज द स्कीम लॉन्च्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया फॉर मॉनिटरिंग यंग ऑथर्स। ओके। RBI imposed penalty on HDFC Bank for violating rules. So what is the amount? That is 10 crore. RBI imposed 10 crore penalty on HDFC Bank. HDFC's bank headquartered in Mumbai. नेक्स्ट, बॉलीवुड के किस एक्टर को यूएई ने अपना गोल्डन वीज़ा दिया है? तो संजय दत्त। संजय दत्त को बॉलीवुड ने गोल्डन वीज़ा दिया है। इस वीज़ा की वैल्यू है कि जिसको ये मिलता है वो 10 साल तक आराम से यूएई में रह सकता है। ओके। नेक्स्ट, हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NIA? सो कुलदीप सिंह हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NIA. Kuldeep Singh gets additional charge of NIA because he is serving as Director General of CRPF. Okay, it means Kuldeep Singh is Director General of CRPF and he get additional charge of NIA. NIA stand for National Investigation Agency. Next, book title Languages of Truth essay 2003 to 2020, authored by Salman Rushdie. Okay, Salman Rushdie. Name of the ICGs. ICGs stand for Indian Coast Guard Offshore Patrol Vessel, which commissioned by NSA Ajit Doval. So NSA Doval commissioned Sajag as a offshore patrol vessel. Which state launched Ankur scheme to encourage citizens planting trees in monsoon? So Madhya Pradesh government recently do this because citizens will encourage to plant tree in monsoon. Okay. WHO has awarded WHO Director General a special recognition award for controlled tobacco. So this award gets to Dr. Harshvardhan because for controlled tobacco. Okay. So Dr. Harshvardhan is our Union Health Minister. Okay. Health Minister. Okay. Next. Recently TCS opened its first European Innovation Center in which country? So TCS opened his first innovation center in Netherlands. Okay. नीदरलैंड की कैपिटल है एम्स्टर्डम. सो देयर TCS opened first innovation center. Which institute has developed a smart window to cut carbon emission? So this is done by IIT Guwahati. IIT Guwahati developed a smart window to cut carbon emission. Next, which organization has conducted State Fast Defender 21 war games? So this is a military exercise done by NATO. Okay. Next, who has taken over as president of Confederation of Indian Industry, CII? So TV Narendran takes over as president of CII. Okay. So, TV Narendran, he also served as CEO and Director General of Tata Steel. Director General of Tata Steel. Okay. Next, recently RBI has cancelled the license of which bank? So this is Shivaji Rao Bhosle Sahkari Bank. Okay. Next, which institute developed MB Tag, India's temperature data logger for cold chain management? So this is developed by IIT Roper. Okay. IIT Roper. Next, who has recently appointed head of NHRC? NHRC stand for National Human Rights Commission. So Arun Misra, he's recently retired as the Supreme Court judge, get appointed head of National Human Rights Council. Okay. Next, Next, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development (OECD) has estimated growth rate of India at how much percent for financial year 2022? Okay, so OECD estimated 9.9% growth rate of India for financial year 22. SBI in its EcoWalk 2021 report has projected India's GDP growth at how much for financial year 22? So this is 7.9% according to SBI. Okay. Next, Moody's estimated growth of Indian economy for financial year 22. So according to Moody's, Indian economy will grow at 9.3%. Okay. Next, as per the Center for World University Ranking 2021-22, which institute is best in India? So IIM Ahmedabad best in India according to World University Ranking. According to this, who is first in the world? So Oxford University is first in his list. Okay, in the world. Who has been appointed Deputy Chief of Indian Naval Staff? So Deputy Chief of Naval Staff appointed Ravneet Singh. Okay, Ravneet Singh appointed Deputy Chief of Indian Naval Staff. Next, Magma FinCorp appointed as chairman as part of management overhaul. So Adar Poonawalla appointed chairman of Magma FinCorp. Okay. Adar Poonawalla also owner of Serum Institute of India, which producing vaccine for us for COVID-19. Okay. Next, Isaac Herzog elected as president of which country? So that country is Israel. Isaac Herzog elected president of Israel. Okay. Next, who appoints as DG of Assam Rifle? So DG of Assam Rifle appoints as Pradeep Chandran Nair. Next, ICICI Lombard partner with which for automate quality control process? So ICICI with Microsoft. Okay. Next, who has been elected to board of International Dairy Federation? So RS Shodi elected board of International Dairy Federation. Next, which state has retained the top rank in Niti Aayog's SDG Index 2021? SDG stand for Sustainable Development Goal. Okay, so Kerala is first in this list, and Bihar is in very last. Okay, Bihar in last according to Niti Aayog's SDG index. I will try to cover a separate video on this because this is an important for knowledge purpose. Okay. Next, which company become the third Indian IT firm to scale 3 trillion market capitalization? 3 trillion, this is a big deal. Okay. So Wipro is third Indian IT firm to scale 3 trillion market capitalization. Okay. Bharti AXA signed a pact with which small finance bank for Health Advantage Edge? Okay. So Bharti AXA with Shivalik Small Finance Bank for Health Advantage Edge. Okay. Next, Mahindra Rural Housing Finance tied up with which for cash management solution? So Mahindra Rural tied up with IPPB for cash management. IPPB stand for Indian Post Payment Bank. IPPB headquarters is in New Delhi. Indian capital New Delhi. Okay. Next, recently Government of India signed an agreement with which organization for upgrade roads in Sikkim? So Government of India signed up agreement with ADB. ADB stand for Asian Development Bank. Headquarter of ADB is in Manila. Manila in Philippines. Okay. Next, Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated Indus Best Mega Food Park. Which state? So Chhattisgarh. Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated Indus Best Mega Food Park in Chhattisgarh. Capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Okay. And CM of Chhattisgarh is Bhupesh Baghel. भूपेश बघेल. ओके. Who has been appointed Vice Chief of Indian Air Force? So, Vivek Ram Chaudhary appointed Vice Chief of Indian Air Force. Okay. Chief of Indian Air Force is R.K. Bhadauria. Okay. R.K. Bhadauria. Which institution recently hosted Asia's first international memory studies workshop? So, this is hosted by IIT Madras. IIT Madras recently hosted Asia's first international memory studies workshop. Okay. Next, recently, who has won the International Booker Prize 2021? So, David Dibe won International Booker Prize for 2021. Which bank becomes second globally to offer Swift GPI instant cross-border inward remittance facility? So, this bank is ICICI Bank. Okay. Next, what is the theme for World Environment Day? So, theme for World Environment Day in 2020 is reimagine, recreate, restore. Okay. World Environment Day is held in every year 5 June. Okay, 5 June known as World Environment Day every year. Next, RBI has projected India's GDP forecast how much percent for financial year 2022? So, RBI projected 9.5%. See, this is the government official think tank, so possible of this question in your exams. Moody and IMF not more important than RBI and one other Indian statical National Static Department, NSO, yeah, NSSO. Okay, so these are very important than others. Okay, so try to remember this. Next, RBI has projected consumer price inflation at how much percent in financial year 22? So this is 5.1%. Okay. Next, which of the following group recently joined with the energy investment program of Bill Gates to boost green technology? So that is EU. EU stands for European Union. So European Union and Bill Gates recently joined for boost green technology. Next, Dash and Dash have recently won the International Business Book of the Year Award 21. So according to option, who has won Business Book International Business Book of the Year Award? So this is Jerry Wind and Nitin Rakesh. Option B. Okay, Jerry Wind and Nitin Rakesh won International Business Book of the Year Award 2021. Okay. सो इस वीडियो में हमने बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कवर किए हैं जो जून फर्स्ट वीक के हैं और इसी के साथ ये वीडियो समाप्त होता है. बट उससे पहले एक इम्पॉर्टेंट अनाउंसमेंट, जैसा कि हम लोगों को पता है कि SBI क्लर्क का एग्ज़ाम पोस्टपोन हो गया है, तो अब देखो कब होता है. तो जो मैंने जनरल अवेयरनेस के वीडियो में कहा था कि 6 महीने का इम्पॉर्टेंट है, तो जुलाई के हिसाब से हमने फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून और जुलाई का लिया था. तो फरवरी और मार्च का वीडियो फ़िलहाल होल्ड रहेगा और इस पर अप्रैल मई के वीडियो हैं और जून चल रहा है. तो देखिए, मार्च का और फरवरी का वीडियो मैं देखूँगा. मार्च का अभी आपको इसी 15 दिन में पहले मिल जाएगा और जल्दी ही मिलेगा, सॉरी फॉर दिस. लेकिन अब फरवरी का देखना होगा क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम कब होता है और लास्ट 6 महीने कब होते हैं. बट मार्च का मैं इस पर ज़रूर कर दूँगा. ओके, चलिए मार्च या फरवरी दोनों का कर दूंगा, कोई इशू है नहीं. बट देखते रहिए. तो चलिए इस वीडियो को यहीं एंड करते हैं. कोर्स देखते रहिएगा. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. हैव एन ऑसम डे.